Hello, Deborah Nance of Reverse Mortgage Radio here at AM 590, Saturday mornings at 11:30. I had a great week last week sharpening my reverse mortgage skills. 15 plus years in reverse mortgages, and there's still room for growth. And I want to share with you about what I learned. That's this Saturday at 11:30 with me, Deborah Nance, right here on AM 590, The Answer. Good morning, and thank you for tuning into Reverse Mortgage Radio. I am Deborah Nance, your host and reverse mortgage advisor with Retirement Funding Solutions. I'm so excited to talk to you today about reverse mortgages. If you have questions about reverse mortgages, please do give me a call. Grab a pencil and paper and get ready. I'm going to go over this list with you right now. I need evidence of your Social Security number in the form of your Social Security card. Or if you have one of those old Medicare cards that has your Social Security number, I can take that as well. Or your 1099 from the Social Security Administration. Those are what I can take to prove your Social Security number. We need evidence. Or any other document from the federal government that contains your name and complete Social Security number. I need a legible copy of valid identification, and it must be current. So driver's license, passport, a current senior ID card, those all work. I need homeowner's insurance policy. I'll need to take a scan of the declaration page from your homeowner's insurance policy. Do you know where that is? Yeah, that's what I thought. So that's something you can do if you sort of know in the back of your mind that the reverse mortgage is something you need to be doing here in the next 6 months to a year. Go find that homeowner's insurance policy or call your insurance agent and ask them to email you a copy of the declaration page of your homeowner's insurance and earmark that email so you can pull it up when you need it. You need to have your certificate of HECM counseling. And if you take the HECM reverse mortgage counseling, you can ask the HECM counselor to email the counseling certificate to me. That's a nice little shortcut for you. They'll still send you an original, but they can email one to me, and that's good. I need to have a copy of your property tax bill. You got that? Your property tax bill for all properties you own. Maybe you've got the house you're getting a reverse mortgage, but you've got a mountain cabin up in Big Bear. I need a copy of that tax bill too, because we are going to, one of the biggest things that underwriting is going to do is double check that you pay your property taxes and your homeowner's insurance on time. And that includes property taxes on other properties that you own. So we need to do that. I'll also get, are you ready for this? A $300 check, as a deposit on the appraisal. All right, the total appraisal cost is $595, I believe. It might be $575, but we take a $300 deposit up front because the appraiser is an independent contractor, and if he comes out to do the appraisal, he's done his work. He needs to get paid. But you don't need to close your reverse mortgage loan. You can cancel it at any time. And if that happens, the appraiser will take that $300 as payment in full and will not come after for the other $275. Okay, so a lot of companies will want the whole $575 up front. We take a $300 deposit, so that's really nice. If you have a living trust, please do. I hope you do. I'll need a copy of it. I can make a copy. It's okay. You don't have to go to the copy store and make it for me. You can, but when I come out, I have the ability to scan it and make a copy, so that's not a problem. And I need monthly statement for any and all mortgages. If you have a first and a second or other homes, like I said, I need the mortgage statements on those. And I need to document your income. So 1099, if you have annuities or pensions, I need the documents that show your income for that. So think like a signed copy of your federal tax returns. I need that. And if you're not an organized homeowner, but you think a reverse mortgage is in your future, get that list and just, tape it up to the refrigerator or something and check off one item a week that you know where it is. And so that when it's time for you to get started with your reverse, it could be quick, easy, and not stressful. So I want to give you that application checklist. I can mail it to you, or I can send it by email. Just contact me at reversemortgagedebbie.com. Fill out that form, and I will be happy to get that information out to you. So prepping for the reverse mortgage application, it's not difficult and it's easy to understand. FHA's implemented this amazing reverse mortgage program to help homeowners over the age of 62 use their home to stay at home. That's the key phrase. And you want to stay at home. Most of us do. And if staying in your home is important as part of your retirement, it makes sense for you to start learning about the HECM reverse mortgage, which obviously you're doing already because you're listening today. For some people, though, staying in their home, it's not important to them. Perhaps the house is too big. They live in this, huge house. And they're like, oh gosh, I don't want to be 90 years old having to take care of this place. I want something smaller. So that's something you might want to look into with your financial advisor and your family. Have those conversations. Your financial advisor and your family are going to have different questions that you didn't even think of, and you're going to be glad to have them there. So get them involved. When my parents got their reverse 18 years ago, I was a kid that was looking out for my parents. I was very skeptical. So take advantage of the love and concern your family has for you to get their opinions and thoughts. I'm always, you don't have to have your kids involved, but I love it when the family gets involved with their parents getting a reverse mortgage. It's good to have more ears
20 seconds.
hear how it works, and more eyes on the documentation, because what's something they'll understand, you might not, and they can explain it to you. We're running out of time for the show. I want to thank you so much for listening. Please tune in next week for Reverse Mortgage Radio with me, Deborah Nance, and have a great week.